How many times have you had a job site that needed video, but there wasn't an internet connection available? This week's tech tip addresses that question and solves it for many installations. Let me introduce you to ProSeries motion viewers. The ProSeries indoor motion viewer is a motion detector with a camera. The camera is only active when the system, or assigned partition, is armed in the away mode and it detects PIR motion. The motion viewer will then send either a 10-second video clip or 2 snapshots to Total Connect and to the ProSeries Pro A7 Plus panel. Internet not required. That's right. These video clips can be sent over internet or cellular alone. The motion viewer is powered by 3 CR123 batteries, and on average has a 4-year battery life. The motion viewer communicates using the 915 MHz WiseLink receiver, which is built into the Pro A7 Plus control panel. This is the same technology that has been proven reliable in our VideoFi product. Video clips or snapshots can be selected when the device is programmed in AlarmNet 360. Whichever is selected, the video resolution will be 1/4 VGA. The purpose of the motion viewer is to confirm if an alarm is truly an intrusion, or if it's a non-intruder activation. Shown here is a video clip from a motion viewer. While it's not an HD video clip and cannot be used to make a positive identification, it does let you determine if this is a real intrusion. Police will increase their response priority and treat this as an active burglary, instead of just another home alarm activation. Video clips are stored in Total Connect for a period of 90 days, and there isn't a limit on the number of video clips or snapshots. Best of all, when using Total Connect with the Smart Security package, you can add one of these to your system for no additional charge. Need more than one on your installation? Not a problem. Change your package selection to Smart Home and you can add up to 8 motion viewers. Either way, you are not paying extra for a video service package. It's important to note that this is video to confirm the validity of an alarm condition, and the devices do not provide an option to view live video on demand. Make sure all of your sales reps know that you now have a solution for end-user video alarm verification, even when internet isn't available. Check with your distributor for pricing. I'm sure you'll be surprised.